Welcome. So the discussion of today is about colors in HTML, or its types, which are HEX, RGB, or HSL. So if we will start from RGB, it stands for red, blue, and green. Moving to next one is HSL, which specifies hue, saturation, or lightness, H for hue, S for saturation, L for lightness, and HEX stands for hexadecimal. So if we go practically, here you can see on a web page we have 6 boxes with different colors. Here you can see the coding. These first 3 are separated in one class with name of box, and 3 are separated in next class with name of box X. So let example, we want to change the color of first box. You can see here it's brown. Now we will change to any else or save it. When we refresh, you can see here the color of first box is changed. Okay, now moving to next one, so we will change the color by using HEX, which is called hexadecimal. So firstly, I will show you how hexadecimal code works. So here you can see on the screen, this is the hexadecimal code. First 2F is for red color. Next 2 is for green, and third 2F are for blue. So all is that when you replace first 2F in figure, so red color will be added. Same as for other 2, so here you can see the example with different codes or colors. Here you can see the web page. We have paragraph with red text or blue background color. So if we want to change this color by using hexadecimal code, we will just remove the color name, and as here I am typing HEX color code. So here you can see the code is 00F00. This is the code for green color. Because as I told you, first 2 letters are for red, and others for green and blue. Now we save it and refresh the web page, or we can see the change. So now here I'm going to show you how HSL work. We will change the background color of same paragraph with HSL or using HSL. Here you can see I am removing HEX. Go to HSL. And changing the numbers of hue, saturation, or lightness. Or save it, see the change on web page. So here you can see the change